Namaste. The light in me sees the light in you. Welcome back to Lunar Rhythms Yoga. My name's Diana, and I am very excited to share with you two powerful mudras that help into the detoxification process, the cleansing process, and really very much align with the waning moon where we are right now. Waning moon is a great opportunity every single month for us to do that very important work of clearing space within our system, clearing space within our bodies and our minds, so that more of our being can express itself, more of our abundance can unveil itself, because we're not clogged up and we're not stagnant and we're not stale. My mission in this time in our modern lives, where there's a lot of chaos, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of worry, there's a lot of information coming in at all sides. My mission is to share positivity, is to share love, is to share peace, to share balance to as many people as possible. Your service would really help me in sharing this video, liking, commenting, sharing this video with your friends, because this will help spread into all the social media and into all people's minds and bodies, this exploration, this frequency of love and balance and positivity that this world really needs right now. So thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment and share. So let's delve right into these practices now. First of all, it's really important that as we come to do this work, we create a space where you've got 5 minutes just to really sit peacefully. Waning moon is an opportunity in the cycle of the month to perhaps slow down. Give yourself permission, because we often feel guilty if we're not doing all the time. There is so much health and well-being and inner wealth in giving ourselves permission to do nothing, to slow down, to surrender. Surrender is one of the most beautiful words in the yoga traditions. That understanding of surrender is to completely let go, to drop the control. Drop the control. Trust. There's such a relief in that. Every time we come to Shavasana, every time we just drop into that space of surrender, letting go, dropping the control, there's this inner smile. So let's give ourselves permission now, right now, in this moment, to take a comfortable seat and press down into this comfortable seat and connect to the earth, to these foundations at the base of our being that are always there, always present, and root down deep. I like to imagine grounding cords. So perhaps bring into your mind an imaginal cord that's like the roots of a tree or like the color of the root chakra. Plug it in just below your belly button, and then take that cord all the way down through the rocks and through the boulders into the deep roots of earth, and let's plug in together. And take a deep breath from the deep roots of the earth all the way up the grounding cord, and then all the way up our spines to the top of the head, and then all the way back down. A very quick way to feel grounded and stable. Let's enjoy a breath together. Now, I also like to feel very connected to the universe, to the source of all life. So let's bring our awareness to the very crown of the head and I like to think of a golden thread that's lifting us up through the clouds today, up through the blue sky, and all the way up into the night sky of space. And here there's a waning moon up there. There's a waning moon, there's lots of stars and planets in this wonderful, vast, infinite universe. And let us connect to the source of the love that flows through us, the source of all life force. Let us feel it coming down through the crown of our heads and cleansing. Waning moon, a great time to cleansing the system of all stagnancy, all fear, all uncertainty. Let's root down into the deep roots of the earth and replace it with unshakable peace, stability, and trust that all is as it should be in this moment right now. Let's take a breath here. Beautiful. And then we're going to take the thumb, middle, and ring finger together. Okay, this mudra is known as Apana Mudra. Apana Mudra, A-P-A-N-A, Apana Mudra. Bringing your thumb to the middle and ring finger. Okay, and let's rest these hands on our thighs. And again, take our roots down deep into the earth. Take our cords right up into the night sky, into the source of all life. Take a breath. Now you might feel that that breath is slightly different now we have this mudra. There is great power in our hands. And every time we take a mudra, it sends prana or chi into different parts of the body. Now, Apana Mudra is the downward movement of waste products. It moves energy down and out. In the yoga traditions, when we take postures like Apanasana, this is help removing waste products. It detoxifies and cleanses. And in the waning moon, I always use this, and people in my community use this as an opportunity to really work on clearing, creating space. Because the more space we clear from all of the kind of stagnancy and the worries and the doubts and the fears and the old patterns, as we clear these spaces out, more of our radiant being is able to unfold, more of our inner wealth, more of our abundance, more of the frequency of connection to the source of all life. We're available to more of this. So it's glorious and needed and beautiful. So I want us to just sit with this mudra for a moment and just be the total witness, the pure witness to whatever's here, noticing, witnessing as we connect to the earth and to the sky and to this process of cleansing to create space. Beautiful. What wants to be released? What wants to be released that no longer serves? Perhaps some intuitive thoughts about things that you would like to release are flowing through. Perhaps you're just enjoying sitting. I encourage you to work with this mudra, especially really nice as well if you've got very busy mind. It helps just us drop out of the mind and really ground ourselves. Cleansing and clearing. Let's take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Let's release the mudra. Give your fingers a little wriggle. It's also very good for our dexterity, really good for the joints. So let's shake it out. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Beautiful. So there's a very quick way in which we can connect to the frequency and the energy of the waning moon, a perfect time to cleanse and detox. Please do like, share, comment, share the love, share the opportunity to cleanse and clear and transform every single person that we meet. Every time we share beautiful things, we aid in the upliftment of this planet. And I know that we need this right now. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening. Look out for my newsletters, sharing all sorts of information around events that I'm doing, talks that I'm giving, free videos and resources for you, online memberships. And I give thanks to you. Thank you so much. And let's take a moment now to share this positivity onwards. So let's take a ground. We'll bring our hands to the heart center. At the end of practice, it's always nice to offer the gratitude and the benefits of the healing forwards. So as we root to the earth and we lift to the sky, we feel the inner sanctuary of peace. Let us share that peace in all the conversations that we have, in all our relationships, in all our actions as we move forward into this day. May there be peace, may there be balance, may there be beautiful, unlimited love for all. And let's send the sounds of Om forward into our families, friends, communities, country, the whole world. 3 Oms. Om. 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 I live in love, I live in truth, and in this truth I live. Om Shanti, peace, peace, peace. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed day.